So far, we've talked about how to write clearly, choose the right tone, and handle tricky situations. Now it's time to combine it all. In this lecture, we will write a full business email from start to finish, something you might send in the real world. Then, we will use a guided self-review checklist to spot what's working and what needs a quick fix. This step helps you turn everything you've learned into a skill you can use anytime, whether you're sending a quick update, making a request, or responding to something sensitive. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to draft a polished, real-world business email, identify and fix weak tone or structure, use a practical checklist to improve clarity and purpose, build confidence in reviewing your writing, pick a real task, choose one scenario that fits your context. For example, following up after a client meeting, requesting support from a manager, saying no to a request professionally, asking for deadline flexibility, responding to a miscommunication. Write the first draft. Make sure your draft includes a specific subject line, polite greeting, a focused body paragraph with the purpose of your message, a professional closing. Example, status update email, subject, project update, client brief progress. Hi, Olivia. Just a quick update on the client brief. We've completed the research phase and are currently drafting the first section. We're still on track for Monday's submission. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like us to include. Best regards, James. Self-review checklist. Now review your email using this checklist. Clarity. Is your subject line clear and useful? Does the first line explain why you're writing? Are there any vague or filler phrases? Tone. Does your tone match the recipient? Not too casual or too stiff? Are you polite without sounding unsure? Did you avoid unnecessary apologies? Structure. Does the email include a greeting, body, and sign-off? Are related points grouped? Is it short and skimmable? Action. Is your ask or update easy to understand? Did you include deadlines, dates, or needed details? Polish. Did you check for typos or name errors? Is the email under 150 words? Does your closing feel professional? Example, weak to better. Before, weak draft. Hey, I need a little more time with the deck if that's okay. Stuff got in the way. Hope it's not a problem. After, polished draft. Subject, request for 1-day extension. Client pitch deck. Hi, Marcus. Would it be possible to submit the pitch deck on Tuesday instead of Monday? We're refining a few last pieces and want to make sure it's client ready. Thanks for your flexibility. Best regards, Ashley.